One ogbonge foundation wey be branch of Arise Scholarship Foundation in collabo with Edo State Ministry of Health and Diabetes Support Center don do their flag off of the program Arise Diabetes Support on Tuesday 14th November with the theme Empowering Global Health. Dis program go shele from 14th to 30th November for Igiogbe Information Center for Benin City. Dis program dey possible by Rex Osagede in remembrance of a late mama every year to empower the less privileged people of Edo State with free diabetes counseling, free sugar test and free medications to celebrate World Diabetes Day wey be 14th November every year. One of the daughters wey be Alex Obasohan, Bishop Owe, Clement Osamuyime come chook mouth on the purpose of the foundation and how many people don benefit from the program.
I dey stand for Arise Diabetes Support. Arise Diabetes Support, wetin we dey do for here be say we dey give free consultation, free medication, free counseling and free treatment. Everything wey concern diabetes, and even if you say you even still get high blood pressure or you get low blood pressure, we still dey treat and we still dey counsel una on wetin dey needed, and we still give una drug. All these things na free of charge. You no dey pay 1 naira. We no get hidden costs. We no get hidden charges when we go hide say after you come we come say make you pay money. No, everything na free of charge. And who bring this message or who bring this service come for us na Mr. Rex Osagede. He dey do one in remembrance of him mama, so they use am take dey support people, the less privileged. You get to, you no get to, so we go see you, treat you. So we dey partner with Edo State Ministry of Health and also with Central Hospital Diabetes Center. So if you know that you get this issue, if you always go diabetes center for Central, they will attend to you. You also then say you come from Arise Diabetes Support. They will examine you, give you free medication, tell you what you need to do. This program, we don't start them since 2019. Now we start them, and so many persons don't really benefit from this program. Because say more than 2,000 persons don't benefit from this program since 2019 till today. More than 2,000 persons don't benefit from and we still want to make you, when they hear this talk now, make you tell that person say every year we dey do am free from 14th of November, because 14th of November na World Diabetes Day. So now make am put upon ourselves say every 14th of November each year, from that day till like 2 weeks after, we dey do free checkup, free counseling and free drugs, so that you go fit benefit from this thing. So na free of charge. You no dey pay anything, not for individual benefit, na for the general public benefit. This thing go last for the next 1 month. Today will be 14th till December 15th next month. Now we go end am, and every Monday and Tuesday na for here for Igiogbe at number 10 Airport Road. Now we go dey do am. Then Wednesday and Thursday na for Central Hospital by Medical Child Ward, for opposite and specialist hospital for that place. So you fit always go there, or you fit come here for Igiogbe. So everything when we go give you na free of charge. You no dey pay anything. Drugs, consultation, everything are free of charge.
When you are talking about the earth, you talk about long life. Anywhere you find they are treating the earth, it's one of the things, the best thing in life, because earth is wet. When you go, they pray for God, give me money, you not get it. What is the need of the money? Where earth day, not be money. Because they say when there is hope, life day. Hope to earth that produce life. So if I say make I count the benefit, it plenty. Benefit is that this foundation is helping a lot of people. Because number one, for many years ago, mostly person like me, I never know if they call checkup. We see how people today doesn't even believe on checkup. But one of the benefits is that you'll be able to have a foundation like this who brought checkup. Even when your kidney fail, will you know without checkup? Your sugar level is rise, will you know without checkup? Your blood level, maybe at that high or level, or your sugar is high or level, will you know without checkup? So in a time like this, it's an opportunity of gaining back your life. Because when you come for checkup, mean there are some area that looks like maybe you are being wounded. From your checkup, you're able to have what? the recovery of your health. So there are a lot of gain I have gained by the grace of God. And my prayer is that this thing be able to go viral, extend to the less privileged. That is my prayer. Because if it go viral beyond this, I know the level will still be mighty. So let us not to forget the little beginning, because it's going to go viral by the grace of God. A little drop of a water make a mighty ocean.
This program, you don't tell. I feel tell say sometimes we don't even produce people who don't be graduate. Because the first program where my brother takes start as a humanitarian, now Arise Foundation. That foundation, it go where the Baba for grow in motherland. You can't check, say some people dey where they are picking no book, but their papa not get money to take them go secondary school. So that my brother come start and say, he go help those people, those children, wey sabi book well for those government schools for that area where he grow and some area where near am too. Say he go dey pay their school fees from class 1 to SS3. And true, now so that my brother don dey do am now for a very long time. I fit tell you say don't pass 10, 15 years. And some people wey they give that scholarship, some of them don't become graduates. So that now one fine program where I enjoy. And me too, I don't dey follow my brother, they do that work since. Now we dey help them organize and we can't do exams more. Sometimes we can't do exam for the children. We can't see the one way pass well. If you select 2, select 3 from different schools. Sometimes 15, sometimes 20, we they carry go once. My brother comes to say, the number not see many rich, he want to make him many well. He say he can't tell some of his friends. Friends so say, now good project be this so. Sometimes some of his friends come they join on to spread the message. As I talk now, sometimes they pass 20, 30 where they feel sponsor once. So that's one aspect. Now another aspect where he's saying still like where we just they do now. Now be this sugar test. We know say this sugar matter. Now serious problem now. Now me they follow and go tell people say make una come test una sugar. In discover say that matter is serious well and it affects so many people. Some people don't even know. So he can put that program say every year for November 14th, where be World Diabetics Day. In go put some doctors, nurses together, and people will go invite people come. Sometimes a week, like this one year old now 1 week we want to do. And we dey pray say if strength day, my brother say go still continue. So that every week, Monday and Tuesday, we go fit come here. Wednesday and Thursday, he gets another place for specialists where he still help them build to diabetic center. You go see if you go there. You opposite this new one where them build so now that place they carry our children go that year. So any person will get time, you fit come any time of the week. Either you come here, you go by number 10 Airport Road, or you go specialist hospital, children's center. So that program, it did very good though, because I remember one year we would do them. One baba come saying a retired police officer, I don't even know saying get diabetics. So as he come, in fact, I be the second person who come that day. He come with one of his sister. As the people come, they can't test him. But as I tell you, my people for us, he passed 300 where the man read. So the doctor and nurses can't hold the man ground. They say you not go anywhere. They can't carry and go hospital. I tell you, say almost 1 or 2 weeks we spend there. So but I eventually say the man not come that day. They say the matter for don't change. So these 2 programs now very prominent program where my brother the anchor. And then one last one again, because these 3 programs make me now hear where. Because if you say, I not get sugar, that will not concern me. Oh, I not get picky where they go school again, that will not concern me. But this other one where I want to tell not so, it concern everybody. Now for Benin, we discover say most families, cousin to cousin go see body, they go throw away face. We discover say na property matter. Sometimes Baba one waka, he not go write will down. As Papa waka, no will, nothing. Before family will come and settle, and this one will carry his head, go the other side. The other one, everybody go to fight everywhere. So my brother too say he still experience that thing too, because small katakata day for your own papa house too. But finally the thing can settle. So he can say, okay, every Thursday for number 10 Airport Road, we dey call that place Igiogbe. Say any person will get matter wey concern family. Oh, they share well, they not share well. Okagbe not give me, he give my sister, he give my junior sister pass my own. You go fit come here every Thursday come complain. We get some babas wey sabi Benin custom and culture well well. Sometimes some lawyer dey to come tell you say see how you go do, see how you go do, see where you go follow. Or dem fit tell you say okay, as e be like this, see how you go, whether you go live am like that, and different matter or options wey you go fit take to get peace. And of course some people say I no gree, you must reach palace. Sometimes you go see fit see how we direct you to palace too. So all this benefit, a lot of people don dey enjoy am.
Community Secretary Desmond and some of the beneficiaries contrary salute to Reso Sagede for this Ogboga initiative to give back to the society.
Though this one is my first time where I attend, I think this is a better way to give back to the society. It's not about spending what you have or lavishing it only on your family. Mr. Rex Osagede happens to celebrate, let me use that word, celebrating the mother today, and is also using the opportunity to give free diabetes test and support. So for me, as the community secretary, I really appreciate this effort because it's not easy to give back not only to your community and also to the world. This is the best I've ever seen from an indigene of Ogbe giving back to the world. It's big thank you. It's a father, it's a brother, it's uncle, it's everything to us in this community. It's big thank you. Words will not be enough to say the word thank you. We say thank you from Ogbe community, from Edo indigenes, and from the world. Thank you, sir, for your support.
I'm very, very happy for this place where we console. We can't do test, free test, no money, nothing. They give us medicine for free, do test for free. I'm acknowledging the person. God, may God bless the person where he bring this solution. God bless any place where you from see money buy all these drugs where he give us for free. May God bless in the mighty name of Jesus. When we do the test, we do blood test, do BP, no pay any money. We do it for free. Collecting medicine for free. We no pay any 1 naira to go. May God bless in the mighty name of Jesus.
This program na better thing they do for us, and I really benefit for it. I like it. So what thing I don't get for it, be say I come for checkup, they give me medicine for free. I didn't pay any dime. Person when he bring this thing come out, God go bless him, and God will protect him. As he wants make our whole life dey long too. Your own life go dey long too.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.